Good afternoon, everyone. Please forgive my voice here, a little under the weather, so we'll make it quick. Um, this is one of my heavy use chef knives. Okay, has the attached steel bolster. Also has this is the fancier model that I make. A little carving in the corner here, and this is in gunstock tiger maple. Okay, and the three brass pins. Very heavy duty knife. Uh, for chef purposes, anyway, these are intended for cutting bone-in roasts, separating pieces of meat that have the bone in ribs, things like that. Really heavy duty. Um, a thinner chef knife would bend and have difficulties cutting something like that. So this is what this blade is intended for. This one is spoken for, but just wanted to make a video on that. Haven't had that up here on my YouTube channel yet, so there it is. Anyway, um, oh, I'll just I sharpen these just like I do all my other chef knives. Incredibly sharp. Just will cut you real good if you're not careful, including me. So anyway, please subscribe to my channel if you like. Ring the bell icon there. That'll let you know when I put up another video. And again, I have my wait list on the website. You can join that. That'll let you know when I have a new knife up available that you can purchase at that moment. Doesn't happen very often, but that'll let you know when I do. Okay, thanks for watching, and I got a lot more videos coming as soon as I can. Okay, have a nice day. Thanks again for watching. Bye now.